3 of the UK Lock Sport January Challenge. I have an AdamsRite cylinder here, 5-pin, which I got off eBay about 7 months ago, and it's been sat in a box upstairs, so I've dug it out. I'm going to give it a go. I'm using a pick set I got from Amazon, which arrived today. This and the tensioner are in the set. That's all you get, and it's £2.95. So let's give it a go. Pick seems to be, not too bad quality. Needs a bit of work, needs a bit of tidying. Tensioner really does need something done about that horrible burr at the end. So let's give it a go. I don't think this counts as an out of a packet pick, but you never can tell. Well, that was short, sharp and sweet. Anyway, that's that open. So I wonder what tomorrow will bring. I'll just grab a different random lock out of my stuff. There we go. Take care everyone, and bye-bye.